Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome back to one more project, a new project. So the name of the project is Enhanced Smart Plant Monitoring System with Web Dashboard. It comes under the category of IoT, but a little different. So what is it? We will just discuss about it. The concept is an ESP32, that is a microcontroller, reads the data from the soil moisture. Temperature sensor is also there and light sensor is also there. It hosts a web server that display the data on the dashboard in real time. Okay, it will be continuously coming. It will be after every 3 seconds. It will be updating. You can also manually trigger a water pump from the dashboard. Correct. So there is a button on the dashboard from where you can switch on the motor as well as switch off the motor. Both the way control will be there. It will give you a foundation for understanding embedded web server, Wi-Fi communication, and interactive IoT interface. So let's see. So here the main hardware components I've used microcontroller, that is ESP32 I've used. We can use ESP8266 also, but there is a little change in this because the power memory wise ESP32 is every time better, but we can do this project with ESP8266. Little changes is to be done. That is changes in the codes, libraries, and pin connection. So since we have used ESP32 in our project, so captive soil moisture sensor, any soil moisture sensor will do FC228 if you have it, it's well and good. Then you have DST22. Instead of that, you can use DST11. In my case, I've used DST11 temperature and humidity sensor. Photoresistor, any LDR will do with 10 kilo ohm resistor, right? One actuator. Actuator means you have one relay which will drive the motor. Which motor? The pump motor, which is shown in here in the picture. So 5-8 relay module and pump motor. Okay. So instead of connecting this transistor and all, I have directly connected the pump motor through a relay module. Okay. So this is my hardware components. Now we'll just study how to use it. Okay. Just fast we'll go for it and we'll just directly go to our lab and see. Wire everything, that is according to, I will just give you the circuits and you according to the circuit, it's a very rough circuit and you can see through the circuit and how the connections are made. Upload the codes to your ESP32. Of course, I'm going to share the codes also. Open the serial monitor, right? You will see a message like AP IP address, okay, right? AP IP address, okay. What is AP? This is access point. This is the only specialty I have said in the project, a Wi-Fi access point. AP host a web server with dashboard, okay, right. So AP, one address will be there. You copy that address, connect to the Wi-Fi network, right. While you connect to the Wi-Fi network, you have to select a Wi-Fi network on the phone. That is plant monitoring AP. Okay, it is the name will be displayed and the password you can change it. Of course, here the password I have given is 123456789. So you go to that AP. First, you have to log into your Wi-Fi as a plant monitoring AP. Then you enter your password. Then you go to the IP address. Open a web server, Chrome, Safari, whatever it is you are using, and type the address. Monitor the control. You can change the button and you can control your motor, or you can irrigate with the help of Aston. So that is the main difference between the other project, that is plant monitoring system and all this thing. But this is a bit different. Okay, right. Okay. So this is a schematic diagram. Roughly, I have made it. You please go through this diagram. Very simple diagram, not much more of a connection. There are two sensors, DST sensor, that is 11 sensor, soil moisture sensor we have used, and LDR we have used. That's all. And rest of the things are output. You have a 5-volt relay, and from relay we are driving a motor. Okay. So separately I have connected a 7805 regulator to give connection or supply to the 5-volt relay and the motor. Okay. So all other things are running with the power from, it will take a lot of current and all. That's why I separately have used a 7805 for this. So let's go to our lab and check out the things around. So going to our lab, I will just explain you about the codes and I will show you the web dashboard. Okay, so just a moment. See, you can see here on the code part. Okay, so these are the first beginning four libraries are there. We have also used WebSocket library also is there. Okay, so Arduino JSON library, that is for updating the things and all. Second, you have a DTH pin connection and power pin connection. I have here one more new thing is there, that is the moisture pin. The power is given through the pin number 4. That means here what happens that when the moisture is required, then only it will take the reading. The LDR pin is 35 and relay pin is 23 and moisture pin is 34. So these are the reading about this thing. You have to, in SSID, you have to write plant monitor API and you have to give the password here, okay? Because we are not using our home Wi-Fi system. So rest of the things you can just make it out here. It's a little lengthier. Why? Because it is lengthier. Why? Because here the API, that is the web dashboard, what we have used a little different type. I will show the web dashboard and I will of course share it. So when you see on the serial monitor, when you in the beginning, what you will see the first, this thing will come. That is your IP address will come, that you have to note it down and you have to, then the continuously moisture, light, temperature, humidity, everything will be coming continuously, right? It will be changing and it will be updating every time because since it is connected to this. Okay. All right. So this is the web dashboard. I have just connected to my laptop, same laptop only. So soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and light level. So it is ESP32 smart plant monitoring system. This is what we have used it. And here it will be like that. What is the intensity and all. And if you come little below here, the pump control, water pump control is there. Okay, so we can control the pump. Then when we can, as soon as when we want it, we can switch it off also. That also I'm going to show you live. Okay, so this is the web dashboard. So that is the why the codes are become little bigger and but it's a very interesting project. Why? Because we are generating or we are using the Wi-Fi, that is API, AP key, that is access point. Okay, so this is the difference between the regular plant monitoring system and this. Okay, so let's go to our lab. As you can see, I have connected my ESP32 board. This is my ESP32 board. I have connected to my laptop. That is, the power is going from this. So what are the components and what are the parts? I will just explain you first. All right. So this is my ESP32 board. This is LDR sensor. This is temperature and humidity sensor. And this is my moisture sensor. After that, I've used a 5-volt regulator over here. That is separate 5-volt regulator. I told you for running the relay and the motor. Okay. Okay. For giving the supply to the regulator input, I have separately used a battery here. Okay. 2 batteries. You can use 3 batteries depending upon the requirement. Okay. The 7.5 volts rechargeable battery, I have given it to the input to this. And from here, then again, it is going to the relay and this thing is running on this. I didn't dip it. Please remember, this is only a prototype. I have made it on the breadboard. Okay. So I have not used soil, pump, water and everything over here just to show you about the project and all. So this will give you the light. This will give you the temperature. Just now we saw, and this will give you the moisture level. Okay. And this is for your power supply. Okay. And this is the pump motor which starts. I will just put in a pump motor and I will just try to show it to you how it works. Now you can see the my this thing is on now. Okay, my LEDs are on and my pump letter of the moisture, the soil moisture. If it is okay, the pump won't start. Or otherwise, I can switch on the pump with the help of our this thing also. That is my app also. So I will just show you how I can switch up with my app. As you can see here, there is a one option has come, plant monitoring API. So you have to select this. Okay. So now if when you select this, it will tell you the password. It will ask for the password. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is the password. Okay. So I will just try to connect the password and this is connected now. button over here. Okay, so I will just stop share this. I will stop share this. I will try to show you the button, and you can check it out. Okay, at that time this motor will start and it will connect. It will irrigate these things. So this beautiful page will come with all the levels will be there. That is temperature, humidity values, dryness, and moisture level. Everything will be given. I hope you will understand. Very simple project. The schematic, the circuit is very small. Everything I will be providing you, and you can do it by yourself. It's IoT project and latest also in IoT. Okay, I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any comments or if any ideas, it is all free for you. I will give you the free ideas, free everything. I'm ready to help you out. So please do contact me. Thanks for watching.